Hello, Zango Nation, and welcome. This is a continuation of your XU Faculty Workshop training with a focus on your best day yet and a gift from us and other online technology resources available to you to help you promote a best day yet online. We're going to start with a gift from us. A giftfromus.com is your online marketing partner and has been out there for almost a year with wonderful videos from Dr. Fred Templeman on our 5 amazing products that come in sample sizes. We have added a new page, Best Day Yet, and have updated all distributor websites and have also updated the site to not just be a mirrored reflection of a master site with the ability to share some videos, but you actually now have your very own WordPress website. Now, before I say that, I want you to know that about half the people, it seems, are not technologically inclined and don't want to be. And you know what? That's fine. You don't even have to have a computer to be able to use a gift from us. You simply have to have a site. So you can simply sign up and with some assistance get yourself a site. And I'll show you what that looks like. It'll come generic and perfect and ready and available for you to share the wonderful videos from Dr. Fred Templeman, because many of the prospects that you talk to, prospective customers and prospective business partners, are going to want additional information, and there are such wonderful places online to get that you definitely want to use those resources by simply sharing that with your prospective partners and customers and letting them know where they can go get that information. So a giftfromus.com, you can actually sign up for your very own site for $9.99 a month as a standalone, or if you're a member of Zango University, and you can become a member of Zango University by going to xuworldwide.com, and as a member of Zango University, you simply click Enroll Now, you'll get your university, which is your training partner, which has tools and resources and benefits available only to Zango University members. It has personal growth training and Zango-specific training and so much more. And as a member of Zango University, you get a gift from us for free. But if you already have your own training program that you're working with and you just want a gift from us, you can. You can get that absolutely as a standalone for $9.99 a month. Or, again, $15 a month. You're a member of Zango University, and the gift from us is complimentary. So here we are. We're at a giftfromus.com, and when you sign up and get your own site, you're going to pick a site name, and you're going to have a giftfromus.com / whatever your site name is. So we're going to look at the demo site right now, and I'm going to show you what you would get. If you had your very own site, this is what you would see. It would have an independent distributor logo instead of your own photo. It would say Zango Independent Distributor. There'd be a couple social media links, but they don't really go anywhere. They go to the main, facebook.com, twitter.com, not to your personal Facebook. And they have some wonderful ability to share a best day yet. So you could simply have your site and give it to people. Give people your site name, tell them to go to Best Day Yet, and they can watch the video. And after watching this wonderful 1 minute and 40-second long video from Dr. Templeman on these 3 amazing products, as they scroll underneath, there's a little overview of the Pro line. And more info, when you click on more info, it takes you to the detailed product videos. This is an 8-minute video that explains all the ingredients and the science and everything technical behind this product line. And you can keep scrolling and see Ignite. There's the information on Ignite. More info will take you to an Ignite video. The Limitless. More info will take you to the Limitless video. The Reload. More info will take you to the Reload video, etc. What about the other products? You simply go over to Products. There's Zango Juice. You want info there. This is a less than 2-minute long video. Dr. Templeman explains why it is the only superfruit. We talk about the patent and all of that, but in a promotional short way. And again, more info can give you the details on all the ingredients and the science. The Ageless, all the baby boomers want to know about the Ageless. This is 1 minute and 20 seconds long, and we'll explain to you about the Ageless, and again, more info will give you the details on that. But what we want to focus on right now is Best Day Yet. If you wanted this to be your, quote, landing page. When people went to your site, this is what they would see first. You could send them to agiftfromus.com/your site name /best day yet, which, of course, this is easy to copy and paste this URL. But you could have the appearance of your very own website by simply getting a domain. It's about $10 a year, $12 at the most, to have your very own domain. You could get one from GoDaddy. You could go online, sign up for an account if you don't have one, or you could just call them. And you could actually have them check domains for you, find a domain for you, and even have them set it up and forward it. And if you do that, just tell them you want them to forward it to agiftfromus.com/your site name /best day yet. And then, let's say, for example, my site is agiftfromcolly.com. It's not really that site. That's just a URL that forwards to my A Gift From Us site on the very page I want them to go to. I could have it go to the Juice page. I could have it go to the Ageless page, but I'm focused on the Best Day Yet, so this is where I have them go. So that's just some of the technology that's available for you to do that. And again, if you don't know how to do it yourself, just call. There's people that will help you, and they'll set that up for you. So right now, we're looking at the demo site. So the demo site, agiftfromus.com/demo site. Let's say demo site is your site name. So you're going to go to your site and then click Login. Now when you set up your site, you had a password generated for you originally, and that default password is 1234. So your username would be your site name. For example, this is a demo site, so it's demo site. The password is 1234. Now, you can click Remember Me, so next time you go in, it automatically has all that for you, and it'll come up with the password if you say Remember Password. And then every time you go and click Login now, it'll automatically have your information populated for you, and you can just log in, and you won't even have to remember your username or your password again. But now here I am in the back office. So the back office has some wonderful things: the contact manager, the share, the calendar count, the WordPress dashboard. This is kind of for advanced users only. But I'm only going to show you a couple simple things on this tutorial. On a future training, we'll do some more of the detailed stuff. But today all I want to do is show you how you can log into your back office and you can share videos. When you share a video through the share, it's going to take you to this page that's going to show you all the videos that you could share. There's the Juice, the Ageless, the Ignite, the Limitless, the Reload, the Pro line, the detailed one. Or you can go to landing pages and just share Best Day Yet. You can just share this page, and this is what I recommend. So you just click on Send This Page. What Send This Page is going to do is take you to this page, but now if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see these social media links: Facebook, Twitter, Google+. You hit the plus sign, it brings you in more: LinkedIn, Pinterest. You want even more? Click on it again. And now all of a sudden you'll see all of the social networks in the world. All of them are here. If you're on AOL, if you're on Yahoo, if you have a community out there, MySpace even, all of them, they're all here. So wherever you are in the world, whatever social media network that you use, you can share with that network if you want to. Not only can you share with the network, but I'm going to show you in a moment how you can go and customize your site so that your social media links, people can contact you through your links. But right now we're just going to talk about how to share on them. Now let me just give you a couple examples. So if I wanted to share this page on Google+, I would just click that and it would bring up this nice little share. And I could put in here some comments or whatever it is that I want to do. I can make it public. I can add specific people. So this is public if I want to share with everybody. Or if I just wanted to share with somebody in particular, I could put them. I could put a group of people. Whoever I want to share with is what I'm going to do. Now, my prospecting method happens to be when I meet people and I invite them to try A Gift From Us for free. I invite people to try your Best Day Yet for free. And all I do is say, all I want from you is, let's make friends on Facebook. And I have a smartphone, and most people I meet today have smartphones. Pretty much everybody under 30, 30 to 50 most, over 50, a lot of them do too, but if they don't have it, they don't have it. This is about if you want to do it this way, and if you don't worry about it. You know, you don't even have to own a computer to do this. You can just give out your website. You could just give somebody a sample, tell them to go to your site. But what I do to pre-qualify them personally, because I want to connect with them in a viral social kind of way. So if I was a big Google Hangout person, I've got Android and this is my thing, I probably would do Google. But my thing is Facebook. That's where I do most of my stuff. So I go over here. And, of course, I have to log in, so just one moment. So I like to connect with people on Facebook if they're there. And when this brings it up, it'll allow me to share on my own timeline, but I can hit the drop-down menu and I can share in a group or on a page I manage or a private message or on a friend's timeline. Now, let me tell you why I like doing this. Say I met somebody today. I met William Wallace. I said, William, how'd you like to have your best day yet? I will give you, as a gift from me, the sample of all 3 of these products if you promise to use them as instructed, and I explain. Wake up with Ignite, pick me up with Limitless, build me up with Reload, and I explain how that all works. And I say, I'd just like to connect with you right now on Facebook so that I can send you some information, a video to watch so you can learn more about these products from Dr. Fred Templeman. He's the world's leading authority on the mangosteen, which is a key ingredient in all of our products. And I just want you to hear from him and understand how these products work. And then I want you to try the products all day tomorrow, and then the next day I want you to report and just simply comment to me on what your results were. Fair enough? Usually fair enough. All right, so I gave William a sample, and so now I go to his, find him. He's my new friend on Facebook, so I find him, I click, and now I can say, hi, William. Here is the link to the video by Dr. Templeman, when you get the point, on the best day yet. I can't wait for you to try these products and tell me what your experience is. Let me know if any of your friends would like to try it as well. And I put that on his Facebook. It's on his timeline. It's on his news feed, and all his friends have seen it. And here's what's powerful with it. He didn't post it. He's not trying to sell them anything. This is something I'm offering him, and I'm telling him if he's got other people. Some of his friends may see it, might go to that link, might watch that video and say, hey, William, I'd like to try that product too. How can I get some? How can I try the best day yet? And all of a sudden my one contact might have turned into 3, 5, 10, or more. That's viral. And I do that with Google+. I would do that with Twitter. I would do that however. So this is the power of sharing through these social media outlets. Of course, I can share with email or I can share anyway. And on a future tutorial, we're going to show you the contact manager and how to track these people and how to do all of this stuff. Right now what I want to do is show you how to customize your site. So again, we're going to look at what your site looks like. This is what you get, and it's fully functional. But nobody would be able to click on anything and contact you unless you set up your email, added your phone number, put some social media links in if you have any, put your photos so they can tell it's like your own personal site, and they're like, wow, they're so impressed when they see your image. So that's some of the things that we want to take a look at doing. How do we do that? Now, first of all, I want you to know that if you never learn how to do it, it's okay. Your site's fully functional without it. You want to learn how to do it, it's not that challenging. If you don't even have a computer, if you don't have a computer, you probably have grandchildren. You can call them and have them come over and do it. But you can have a neighbor, you can have a child, a grandchild, somebody come do it for you if you're afraid to do it. But you know what, I'm going to show you how to access this information very, very simply. We're just going to go to login. When we log into that back office, we're going to scroll down. We're going to see this tutorial here. So if we click on this, this is a video that will take you through exactly how to do your site. So as we're watching this video, here's what I do. I listened to it long enough to where he told me a few things. So,
you want to go to your login and log in.
So go to login and log in.
To your back office. And what you're going to do is you're going to come down here to where this video is, this tutorial video. And you're going to click here to edit. And it's going to take you to the page called the Personal Information Builder.
All right, now I'm not going to have the tutorial tell you anymore because I'm going to show you this, but that tutorial is there for you. At any time you want to change anything, you don't have to remember how to do this. You just go to the tutorial and watch it again. Now, there's a lot of things I could suggest that you do. If you've got two computers, put them side by side and play the video on one and do it on the other. Or play it on your phone and do it on your computer. Or open up two different browsers. Now, you can open up two different browsers by simply grabbing this one. See, I've got this site here. I have it here. I can pull this off by simply holding down on it and dragging it off. Now you'll see I have two different sites, and I could take this one and I could make it small, and I could just play the video in it. Down here, I could play this video. Look at that. I could play this video while I'm doing my site. So that's just an example of how you can do that. See, I could have them side by side next to each other, and I could play it and watch it over here while I do the work over here. So let's just, I'm not going to do that though because I want you to see the full screen experience. All right, so once again, log in. I'm going to actually do it because I have learned and memorized how to do it myself. You will probably want to have the tutorial on playing on one and actually be doing it on the other one. So we're going to click here to edit. That's what it said to do. And I paused the video and I clicked there to edit. And I saw this and I was like, wow, well, how do I do? And it's not obvious. So then I played the video some more. And then what the tutorial said was, we go up here above the logo. There's a little section that says Edit Page, and you click on that. Now here's the thing. This is a WordPress website. You're actually going to be doing stuff in HTML and coding and all that. We made it easy for you by creating some links directly to the pages to do these things that we want to do. And other things that we do in the future will be the same way. We'll have tutorials that will take you directly to a new page we might want to add from a gift from us. MB30ers have asked for an MB30 page, but not everybody wants one. So we're going to have, and we're creating that page right now, and when it becomes available, we'll have a tutorial that will show you how to add that page to your website where it will appear in your menu, and everyone will see it. It will be your MB30 page. So those are the types of things that we can do with these by programming it in such a way that all you have to do is watch the tutorial and do what it says. So I'm going to dismiss all these instructions that's telling me how to do things because we have a tutorial that tells us. And what the tutorial continues to tell us is that we can edit these three things: the image, the words, the social media links. That's what this has been designed to help you do, just that, and not worry about all the other stuff that you could be doing. So what we do is we go over here, and as we hover around, there's like a little pencil, and you'll see a little pop-up thing comes up that says Edit Element. We're going to click on that, and that's going to help us edit. And that picture is here, but if I don't want that picture, I can remove it. Then I can upload a new image. So if I'm going to upload a new image, by the way, there's a media library with all kinds of images already in it. So if you just want to put a generic photo of a real person instead of a logo, you can, or the mangosteen. If you wanted to put the mangosteen, that's a nice little one, or whatever you want. But if you want to do your own photo, then you click on Upload Files, and we're going to find a file on your computer, and we're going to upload something. So I'm going to go to my documents, I'm going to go to my images, and I am going to go and I'll find something with saying the university. I'm going to find something. Let's see, what do I want? And so you might take a picture with your camera and put it on your phone, or I'm not sure what I want. You know what I'm going to do for fun? I'm actually going to go over here. I have a picture of Joe Morton. I'm going to choose Joe Morton. So here I have a picture of him. I'm going to click Open. And there is the picture, and it's going to automatically size it and everything for me. Now, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do Insert into Page. And there I have that picture, and I'm going to say Save. So I'm going to save that image. That's the image now. Now I'm going to go to Xango Independent Distributors, what it says. I'm going to click on the little pencil, Edit Element, click on that. Now here's what it says, but let's say I want it to say, this is a demo site, so I'll do a gift from us demo site, and say I want my phone number there. So I do. This is what I did. Now, if you just hit return, it'll automatically go to a smaller font in black type font. So I might say share. I might say, I'll just do this. It's go time. I could type as many things as I want in here. I could type quotes. I could type, on my own personal site, I've got Xango 500K, multi-million-dollar earner. If you're a doctor, you want to put PhD, you want to put nutritional counseling, you want to put lifestyle coach, you want to put global entrepreneur, you want to put your title, anything you want. You can add as much to this as you want. I could add up here, if I want it to still be in this big font and color, then at the end of it, I would simply hold the shift down and hit return, and then it's this big. Or if I don't hold the shift down and hit return, then I go to this font. And so it helps me do things in different colors and different sizes. But if you want to get really technical, and for those of you who are young, you're excited because you already know and you're probably already ahead of me in doing it. Right here, it's this toolbar toggle. You can toggle that. You can change the font size. You can change the font family to any kind of font you want. You can change the format, put them in blocks or alignment or whatever. You can underline, you can bold, you can italicize, you can do anything that you want to do. You can put a link in. Let's say I wanted to put a link to my blog. So if I wanted to do Colley's blog, I could actually highlight that and click on this link and put a link to my blog. And there would be a link right there. But I'm not going to do any of that. All I'm saying is I want you to know there's a lot of cool stuff here, but we don't need to do that. We just want your phone number in there so people can call you if you even want your phone number on your site. And whatever else you want to add, you can add. All right, save. We got that. Now the social media links. If you have them, put them in here. If you don't worry about it. But most people have Facebook. So if you do, now, here's what you want to do. How do you know what to put in here? How do you know what your Facebook is? Facebook.com is there, and by the way, if you want to remove all social media links, you simply delete them, and then there'll be no links going anywhere to even appear on your site. But if you have some that you want to put there, so I'll go to Facebook, and I'll put Xango University's Facebook page. So how do you find it out? You simply go to whatever page you want, your page. So when I clicked on Xango University, it took me to the page where it has the name. It has the URL, Xango University. Yours is going to be your site name. So I'm going to grab this and copy the URL in the address bar. Let me show you something. If I click on my name, then it's going to go to I'm having a little technology issue, and I don't know why. All right, facebook.com/Zengo University. We know that it should auto-populate for you, but some browsers it doesn't. You might have to find it out by clicking on your little page edit thing here and going to your settings and looking. Now let me just tell you something right now. When you're looking for URLs and trying to figure out this stuff, you don't know how to do something, ask Mr. Google. He's my best friend. Go to google.com and say, how do I find my Facebook custom URL? And it'll tell you how to do that. There'll be a bunch of people telling you how to do that. You can even go on YouTube and find video tutorials to show you how to do that. So everything is out there. This is the information super world right now, and you can learn how to do that. You don't have to know this stuff. Now I have the URL copied, and now I'm going to go into the Facebook, and I'm going to paste it in. Twitter, Zengo University has a Twitter account. I'm going to put that one in. And I'm going to paste that. Now, how do you copy and paste? You simply highlight what you want to copy. Here, we'll go to Instagram. I'm going to do the Zengo official Instagram site. Zengo University doesn't have one, but Zengo Corporate does. So I'm going to put that one in. So you just take it and you highlight it all. And then you can either go up to File or Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste, or you can simply right-click, or you can simply do the Command C for copy and Command V as in Victor for paste. There's a lot of ways to copy and paste, but you highlight what you want, you copy it, you go to where you want to edit. Here's the Instagram link and paste it. Let's do one more. Zengo University has a Google Plus account, so we're going to do that because that way people want to reach me through Hangouts and all that stuff because Google people like Google Hangouts. So we copy that, we go here, we're putting that in, and so on. And there's all the social media out there. So LinkedIn, I'm going to delete that because Zengo University doesn't have one, so I don't even want just a generic LinkedIn there. I'm going to delete it. You can delete them all if you don't have any, if you just want Facebook. Down here, your email address. We want to put in your email address. So the email address is agiftfromus@gmail.com. By the way, that is the Gift From Us email address, so you can please give me comments, suggestions, questions, anything that you want to know or any input you'd like to give. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so there's the email address to contact us. We'll scroll down some more, and you'll see Dropbox, PayPal, MySpace, all of them. There's a Skype link. Now, I had to ask my friend Mr. Google how to get a Skype URL because I didn't have a clue. It wasn't like skype.com/your name or anything like that, anything easy. But you can put a link in there that when people click on it, it'll open up their Skype and automatically call you. And if you're building an international business, that is huge. So if you don't already have one, go to skype.com, get yourself an account. There's a link that you can put in, and if you don't know how, you can go to Mr. Google and say, how do I find my custom Skype link for my WordPress site? It'll tell you. It's very, very simple, and you simply paste that in there. As a matter of fact, I will take just a moment and tell you how, because it was such a powerful thing for me to learn that I want to tell you. I have it in this training that I did earlier today. So I'm going to actually tell you your Skype URL. This is it. It is Skype.YourSkypeName?call. So my Skype name is Zengo Colley. Skype.ZengoColley?call. That's it. You put that in there, and a Skype link will be on there, and if somebody clicks on it, it'll open up Skype and call me. Zengo University does not have one, though, so we're going to delete that. And now we're going to hit save. So the thing is, I now have gone in and programmed this stuff and customized it, but how do I make it appear on my site? So here's what I have to do. First of all, I have to take all of that, and I have to update my site. I'm updating the site with all this that I just did. So I'm going to click Update. And then I have to get this HTML code. How do I do that? This is kind of like, this is fun to do. Once you do it, you're going to feel so cool, like, wow, I can't believe I learned some HTML code. So we go to click on the default editor, and it brings all this stuff up, and it'll show you with the images and stuff. But if you just go over here instead of visual and go to text, then it's just HTML code. So you grab it, and you highlight all of it, make sure you get it all, and then copy, Command-C. Or you can right-click and it'll give you a choice to copy from there, whatever it is, however you want to do it. Or you can go up to edit copy, but we're going to highlight it all, and then we're going to copy it. And now the tutorial, see if I was watching the tutorial, I'd be playing it again because I had it paused and I did all this and it told me how to do. And then it tells me to go back to my site and click here where it says click here to paste, and click on that. And then here's where you paste this code. All these cool things that you could do. Personal info 1, drop-down box. There's text, drop-down box, and open it up. And this is the current HTML code that's telling the site to have that generic independent distributor logo. See, it says that. It's here. That's what's telling you to pull that image out of your photo library. And it's telling you what words to have and all that. So we're going to just take all of this and get rid of it. We're going to highlight it all and delete. So there's nothing left in the box. And then put my mouse in there. I'm Command-V or however you want to paste. I'm pasting in the new, where it tells my new image frame. So the new image that is this new thing I uploaded, Joe Morton's photo. So this is coding that's telling the site that I want you to find that photo out of my library and put that there. So you don't have to worry about knowing how to do that because we've made this tutorial for you with links to get directly to what you need to do without having to do all this stuff manually and do all these settings and all that. And now I'm going to hit save. All right, I have just updated my site. I've done all this HTML stuff. What does that mean? Let's just take a look at it. I'm going to click on the home and see what my new site looks like. Wow! Picture of Joe Morton, a demo site, the phone number. It's go time. I could say anything I want. I could say a whole bunch of stuff. I could have a link to another at my blog. The social media links that I chose to share. And when you click on it, Facebook, it's going to go right to the Zengel University Facebook page because that's what I told it to do. So this is some exciting stuff. They can email me right here. Click on mail. It's going to open up my email. There's a new message, and it's going to a gift from us at gmail.com because that's what I put in there. So there's some exciting stuff here, and this is just the beginning for you. You see this whole menu? You can have your own page. We're going to do some of them for you. And then one that we're working on next is MB30. And when we have it, there'll be a tutorial that will show you how to go and grab all the HTML code and how to create a new page and how to paste it in and how to put that page on your menu so it'll show. You have your very own website, and you're at the beginning of a very, very exciting journey. I want you to know that no other company in all of network marketing has anything like this. There is nobody else. So you're the first in the whole industry to have something like this, and we are so excited to have been able to bring this to you. It was tens of thousands of dollars. It's been months and months of updating. This is a year since we first brought out the basic part of the site, and it is just constant and never-ending improvement and more amazing technology things for you. If you have any questions, if you need any help, we are here from you. All you need to do is go to agiftfromus.com/help. If you go here, you're going to go to our help desk. It'll have a direct link to our support, and you can call. Support is available Monday through Friday from 1 to 4 p.m. Mountain Time live. If you have tried to call in the last couple of weeks and had a hard time getting through, it was because we were so busy working on updating this site for you. We had dozens and dozens of people calling every day asking when their site was going to be updated, and it was a challenge. We are now through all of that. The sites are updated. You now have all the information you need to customize and personalize. So the support will get back with you within 1 business day at the most, but if you call during those hours, you should get right through. There's the phone number to call directly, or if you click there, you can call through Google. Frequently asked questions are here. If you need to submit a support ticket, please give us all the information that you have. The more information you give, the faster that we can respond to you. If you forgot your site name, and you don't even remember what it is, then you can put that in there. I forgot my site name in the subject, and give us all the information you have. Your email address will help us look up and find your site name, and we can give that to you. Let's say you have a site name you don't like and you want to change it. Maybe when you first set up your site, you set up some really long thing, and now you're thinking you want something short. Or maybe you set up a gift from Kali. If I was to do that, my site then was agiftfromus.com/a gift from Kali, and I thought, gosh, that's really long. I want to change it to just Kali. Then submit a ticket and put that your current site name is what it is, and in here what you want. Can you change my site name to this? We'll take care of it for you. So here it is, the help desk. We'll handle your support. We'll take care of whatever you need. You need some personalized help with any of the things that we talked about. We can help you do that. Your feedback, your comments, your suggestions are always welcome. The last thing I want to show you is simply where you can get all your support for the best day yet. The Xanga University, the site now has a new menu page item. It's called Best Day Yet. And when you go here, you're going to see a lot of resources. This webinar, by the time you even watch this, is probably already on this page. As we continue to do these webinars and do these videos, we're putting them on the page for you, as well as links, and not just our training and our webinars, but corporates as well. So there's a lot of great videos, links to the corporate site, links to the workshops, etc. We're here to serve you. That's there. The last thing I want to show you is to register for any events that are taking place. Xanga University events, xuevents.com. has everything. There's some hot links to Best Day Yet here, Best Day Yet there. They go to that university page. The Xanga University Gift From Us demo, etc. This week's live events will tell you what's going on, including the corporate events. So again, every Thursday night, 6 o'clock Pacific, 7 o'clock Mountain, 8 o'clock Central, 9 o'clock Eastern, and you can click there and it'll take you to the page that tells you all about it, how to register and all that stuff. Here's our weekly events that are going on. Here's our monthly events that are going on. And then there's always a post, the most current post. If you scroll through, you'll see what the most current stuff is that's going on. This is for you. And from here again, you go to Best Day Yet. The Best Day Yet will have all your archives. It'll have everything that has to do with Best Day Yet. If you want archives of other calls, you'll simply log in to your university account. Then you'll see a library. And in the library, you'll see the Best Day Yet there as well, but you'll also see archives, XU workshop archives, product call archives, all of the archives for all the events that we do. We're here to help you. We are very excited to share. We've got a lot more that we're going to share on the next webinar about all the technology and tools that are available to help you. For now, again, you need any help, agiftfromus.com/help should resolve that. The one thing I didn't show you, I apologize, is how to edit your, you can simply go to Dashboard on your site if you want to edit your password. So we're simply going to go there, and we're going to go to Users. We're going to go to Your Profile. On your profile, you can put in your name. You can put in your website, you can put in all your social media stuff, you can put biographical stuff, but here's where the password is. If you want to change it from the default 1234, you simply put it in there, and then update profile, and your password is changed. With that, I'd like to wish you your best day yet, and your best year yet, and say go out and share the message, share the word. We have a lot of very, very, very exciting things that are happening. It is absolutely, without a doubt, go time again, folks. And we hope that you take advantage of that. We hope you get on a trip to the Mexican Riviera. We hope you take a team of people with you, brand new people, people that you've been with for a while, people that you've known for a while. It's never been easier. It's never been more fun. It's never been more exciting. So thanks for joining us, and have your best day yet.